everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I got so tired of walking through the mud to and from my house to the warehouse. It's the springtime and it kept raining, and so we built a pathway and it's awesome. Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I'm going to show you my family unloading all the stuff we got for our new walkway, and then I'm going to show you the final product. My family is unloading bricks and pavers for the new walkway that we're going to put here. It's going to start here, go all the way around to the end of the house. You can kind of see where we've walked here anyway, see? So we're going to build a cute little walkway with these pavers, some of those bricks, and then some brick we have already. Good job, guys! They won't let me help because today is Mother's Day. I have the best family ever. So they wouldn't let me unload on Mother's Day, but the day after we built the pathway, and I definitely worked hard that day. Alright, so I'm standing in front of my house, and as you know, I always had to walk through the grass, which when it rained a lot was a mud pile, so I'd have to walk all the way around on the road to my new warehouse. I still got my work gloves on. We just finished. We started at noon, finished around 4, took one break and one extra trip to the store to get extra rock, but let me show you the final product. So these blocks right here, these big paver ones, are actually from a St. Louis railroad company, but this is the final product of my walkway to my warehouse. Isn't it amazing? So we got the pavers, and then we edged everything with brick, and then we put weed stuff, weed preventer underneath it so that we don't have to worry about grass and weeds growing through. And then we placed all of these pavers all the way down. Me and my husband built it all ourselves. It took us about 3.5 hours of actual work time. And then we already had all these hostas here. And then say hi, Faye. Hi. She's enjoying our new bench that we put underneath our little walkway, and we made kind of a little cutout. And then all the way to the warehouse. I'm super excited. So now I have a non-muddy walkway to my warehouse. Isn't it amazing? So we'll walk all the way here and then kind of turn around and show you the final product and what it looks like in my yard. So moving the trash can. So that's the final product. Isn't it amazing? I think it's amazing. Alrighty, we got the pathway built, and I kind of wanted to give you a breakdown of what it all costs. We did all the work that ourselves. Like I said, it took us 3.5 hours to do. But my pathway, we bought a weed barrier that went underneath for basically $39.98. Solar lights that went all along the path, and then I also got some extras to go all along the front of the house. I paid a little bit up for them because I really liked the style, $117.12. The small red bricks that we bought to edge the walkway, as well as bricks I already had on my property. But the ones I bought were $36.80 for 80 of them. We used probably double that because I had a lot of bricks left over. Lakestone squares, $179.40. Those are the big gray ones you saw. I bought 60 of them, and it worked out perfect. Red lava rock, this is where I paid up, $152.05 because I had some large spaces to fill. We rented a pickup truck because of how heavy all of the items were. We couldn't put it in the back of my vehicle. It would have been dangerous for my shocks. So $49.45 is what it cost to rent the truck to get everything here. And we just rented it right from Menards. Tax was $43 because you have to give the government and the state their portion. I had a mail-in rebate for 11% off, and so I'm going to get $47 back for that. So my total for making this pathway was $570.80, and it's a business write-off because it basically came to my warehouse, and so I'll be able to write some of that off. So $570.80 for the gorgeous pathway that you've seen. Pretty good. I've never done any kind of landscaping before, so hey, if you want to try something new, go for it. I think you can. Hopefully it's been awesome to see the progress of my new walkway to my warehouse, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.